Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. This video is sponsored by Geek Home Silicone Flexible Spatula set of 4, and we are going to make today a traditional dosa recipe. And this is a really easy, and it will make a really crispy and crunchy dosa that you have ever eaten. So let's begin, and we'll talk a lot more about this spatula set that I was sent, and I'm really thankful for it. So let's begin with the recipe. So I'm going to take half cup of split Bengal gram, that is urad dal, and I'm going to wash it thoroughly, and I'm going to add about 1 cup of water and let it soak. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to take 1 cup of rice. I'm not going to rinse it because it has a lot of added nutrients, so I'm just going to soak it with water and add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. This add a lot of flavor and it helps fermentation. So I'm going to let it soak for 4 to 6 hours or overnight, and after 6 hours you can see it has doubled in the volume. So before blending in, I'm going to add flattened rice, that is poha, to my rice and let it sit for just 5 minutes. And then blend it with little water as possible. And I'm going to blend it, and the batter should be little bit gritty. I mean, it's not very fine, but it should be gritty. Now take it out in a bowl, and I'm going to grind urad dal separately with very little water, and this will be a very smooth batter. So now mix both of them in a bowl and stir vigorously, and we are going to cover it and leave it at warm and dry place for 6 hours to ferment. Now in winters it takes a little bit more time compared to summer times. So meanwhile, we are going to check this silicone flexible spatula set of 4, which is sent by Geek Home, and it has 4 spatulas, and it's with a wide base, so it is really good. It's dishwasher safe, food grade silicone. It is heat resistance. I mean, if you leave it in a boiling water or dal or whatever, it won't melt or spoil. And it is a really good silicone that is very flexible, and it has a stainless steel handle that will match any of your decor. So this is the extra wide spatula. This is very good for flipping that uttapam when you make it. You know what I'm talking about. And it has this angled spatula for if you wanted to scrape anything from the pan, and this is a regular spatula. So flexible yet sturdy silicone spatula with stainless steel handle, and very sturdy and long lasting. So if you find it helpful, the link is in the description box. Please check it out. Let's get back to our recipe. So our batter has been fermented, and I'm going to show you. See how it looks. It's very well fermented, and I'm going to just mix it up vigorously. And this batter is good for dosa, idli, appam. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the batter. I don't want to use it all. To make the dosa, I'm going to add water. For dosa, the batter is a little bit thin, and I'm going to add salt. Add salt whenever you want to prepare the dosa, right before it. Now heat a griddle, and you can check the consistency. This is how we want. Now I'm going to sprinkle some water to let it cool, and then spread the dosa like this, starting from the center and spreading outwards in a circular motion like this. Now let it cook on a slow to medium flame, and apply some oil and butter. Now this is a really good traditional way of making dosa. There are a lot of instant dosa making recipes, and I'm going to try this angled silicone spatula, and it helps me lift the dosa very well, and the wide head makes me easier to lift it up. So here our dosa is ready. It's really crispy and crunchy and very delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Try this traditional and authentic way of making dosa. You can enjoy it plain or masala dosa. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.